Hi everyone, it's Aga from miraclecrystalbeads.com, and this is the second of 5 quick tutorial videos in the series where I show you more ideas to use our cosmic cluster design, which you can make with our Beadway boxes. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we are posting new content. Now, for those of you who don't know them, Beadway boxes are Eureka exclusive color coordinated bead sets, which you can use however you like, of course, but they also feature easy video tutorials for a design using these very beads in the box. So at the moment we have 3 different designs and each has 3 colorways. These are the 3 designs. And if you're watching this around fall 2023, we've just released limited series of fall colorways of these Beadway boxes. Each box allows you to make multiple elements using the main tutorials. So in this video series, I'm going to show you 5 different pieces of jewelry that you can make with the cosmic cluster design. I will be using the limited fall colorway here for this. So let's start. In the second video in the series, I will be showing you how to make, well, not exactly a dangle earring, but a sort of an earring attachment out of the cosmic cluster design. And now this is all that it is, and how do you use it? Well, you have a simple stud earring. Here I have just this stud with a ball, and I just put it in my ear, block it from behind, and that's it. But if you put this in your ear and then apply that element from behind and secure it, this is what you're gonna get. Like, this is going to kind of hang behind your ear. And the fun thing about this is that you can basically add it to any stud earrings that you have, and this can really kind of enrich any boring stud earring. You can even use it with the actual stud earrings from the original video. So you just put it through your ear, add the back, and then basically you have like double design, and this kind of hangs freely, so it also looks really nice and really cool and elegant, I think. So this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do. It's super easy. So what you're going to need is some head pins. Here I have a head pin with a ball head, and I think it looks really nice all over. Now this should be at least like 1.5 inches, because you can use any length that you want. It's just going to be a different length in the end. So what you need, one cosmic cluster element that you've made before, and as you can see, I just didn't put anything inside there. It has this little hole. So in the original video, I tell you to put an earring post inside there, and there's also an 8/0 to stabilize it. But now there's nothing inside. It's free space, and I'm going to use it. When it comes to tools, you're gonna need some. You're gonna need cutting pliers for if your head pin is too long. Mine is probably not gonna be too long. I'm going to use all of it. You're going to need round nose pliers to make that loop, and chain nose pliers or any other tapered pliers that will allow you to hold on to this. I'm actually using, I think it is 21 or 22 gauge, so it's pretty thick. So you'll need some force to bend it. I'm also going to need some beads to add on to this head pin. Okay, let's go. So you just put the head pin through your cosmic cluster. Then you take your pliers and kind of hold that head pin over here and bend it so that it's like 90 degrees. You can straighten it up if it's a little bit crooked, like this one. Now it's more or less straight. So first of all, I'm adding 180 over here. And then let me just see what I did here. I also added a 15 see, so all of the beads can be useful here. An 80, a 15, and then I'm coming in with the bugle. Depending on like the gauge of your pin, some of them may slide on the pin quite easily and some may be a little bit more difficult to work with. And I'm alternating between bugles and 11-0s. Right now I'm at a point where I need to make the loop. So the first thing I do is I'm going to take my tapered pliers and I'm going to bend this pin like sideways so that when you look at it from the front, it like bends this or the other way, not front back, but side to side. So I'm gonna hold it over here and bend it like this. It's almost 90 degrees, I would say. And now what I'll do, I'm gonna hold this thing with my pliers, and actually I'll have to switch hands. It's gonna be a small loop, but I'm going to hold the wire, the pin, with my tapered pliers, and with my other pliers, the round nose pliers, I'm kind of holding this wire, not right by the end, just a little bit further down, but I'm slowly turning it. Now I can let go, and I'm making a little loop, like this. And that's basically it. You're ready. If anything has bent, you can just gently kind of bend it back. And you have a ready pair of like earring attachments, I would say maybe, that you can wear even with your regular cosmic cluster post earrings. Just like that. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. In other videos from this series, I'm showing you how to make like more regular dangle earrings, a ring, a bracelet, and a necklace, all with the use of our cosmic cluster design from our Beadway boxes. All of the materials that I've shown you today, separately and in a box, you can find at eurekacrystalbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!